this is Dennis with Initial Ascent, and I'm going to go over what I have in my medium-sized IA pack sack. So this is going to be more of my first aid kind of possibles kit, if you will. So I'll start with, I've got a whole bunch of first aid type stuff, gauze, I've got Blistex, I've got Advil, Benadryl, just a bunch of that stuff, that super glue that I could possibly need. I have these salt sticks. These are electrolyte enhancers, bins, insect wipes. I've got some dude wipes, a whole bunch of contact lenses, my Garmin InReach Mini. And usually what I'll do is I'll keep this in my hip belt pocket. So I've got that whenever I need it. This is a sleeping pad patch kit. I've got a couple of batteries for my SteriPen, Goal Zero extra battery with phone cable, and last but not least, I've got my toothbrush, and I've got some Leukotape wrapped around it. So that's what I put in my medium-sized pack sack.